Good morning, this is Naomi Dawn and I'd like to share with you my first design team project for FernleyDesigns.com. It's a family run business that make laser cut embellishments and storage options and more great quality items at really good prices. Okay, as I said, this is my first one, so excuse me if I fumble a bit and I apologise for the lighting. This started off as an ordinary wooden pot. This is made of pine. And I discovered a few weeks ago that the products by Fernley Designs take mica sprays really well. Now I've been using it straight onto the wood. I've not been using any gesso as I'd normally do with the product, but this is working really well. The ones I've used, they're by Carol's Craft. You can't actually read the label, I'm afraid, but gorgeous colours. So I've used this one, which is Firefly. I've used this one, which is Lilac Night. Looks a bit black there, but it actually comes through like a blue-grey colour. And I've used this one, which is called Aqua Lagoon. Let's bring this back over. And what I did was, originally, I used the treble clock faces, which is these two, and you get this one that's on the bottom here. I originally sprayed them with the Aqua Lagoon, and I sprayed this box with the Lilac Night, but they didn't really go together, so I sprayed over the top of these two pieces with the Lilac Night again. After that I sprayed all of my cogs and embellishments, which I'll show you in a minute, with the red Firefly. These are so easy to work with. After I sprayed the clock faces, I got a silver gel pen and I just went over all of the numerals. They are still really clear, they're easy to see, and it's a great contrast, as you can see. Love this, and I'll be doing that again. I've been lucky. I've got some chunky cogs that they've made for me. I think these are 3mm thick. I've also used the other cogs, and they come in all different sizes, and even that little tiny one came out this bag, and they're really reasonably priced. The other thing I've used is the ornate keys, and I adore these. These come in a pack of 5. Take spray really well, they take paint really well, you can gel pen on them, they're great. So I've used the smallest one here, and everything has been stuck down with glossy accents. I don't know why I use glossy accents, but it worked, because you can put a nice little puddle down there, stick the key in it, leave it alone, it dries and it's clear, and you can't even see the glossy accents at all now. I think you can just about see it in there. Okay, my base is a 2mm thick piece of chipboard, which I sprayed with the Lilac Night, and all I did was stick the clock to it, the clock base, and then cut round with my knife, and then I've gone round the edge with I think it was black ink, or black ink pad. I'll have to double check. Now I'll show you round. These are sold by Fernley, but I think they're out of stock at the moment. Love these little double clock pens. So literally things are just stood up. If I tip it, you'll see they don't fall down. And it's just by putting a bit of glossy accents in their little huddle and standing it up. This bit was fun to do. If I take the lid off, I stuck a small cog at the top of my clock. I stuck this cog here, that's actually got embossing powder on. And then I used another cog to hold this up. So it's just a little puddle of glossy accents in here, a little bit of glossy accents on those 2 spokes up there, leave it alone to dry, and there's also a little puddle of glossy accents just in there to hold it all together. So there you go, it's not difficult, quite an easy make. Get spray and some glue and you're there. So, as I said before, Fernley Designs, excellent embellishments. They've got storage options, they've got things to alter, You can find them on Facebook. They have a group there, and every month they have a like a challenge. So you just enter something that you've made that uses Stanley Designs products, and you've got a chance of winning some for free. They've also got their Facebook page that tells you about new products that are coming out, but check out the website, it's well worth it. So this is my first one. Hope you like it. Talk to you soon. Bye.